Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to delete Windows Update files or cache from Windows Update. Just hit on start button, search the servicing, hit enter. Here you have to find the Windows Update. Just type Windows and scroll down to the Windows Update. Just right click on it and stop the services. After that, just minimize this window and go to your C drive. Click on Windows. Find the software distribution folder. Just double click on it. Go to the download and here you will find the case of Windows Update. Just select all of this and delete. Now close this folder and again reach to the services. Now right click on Windows Update and start the services. That's it guys. Thank you for watching.